Welcome back to Finance Mentor Pro. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic that impacts all of us building credit. Whether you're just starting out on your financial journey or looking to improve your credit score, understanding the fundamentals and best practices is absolutely key. So let's break it down step by step. First things first, know your credit score. Your credit score is a 3-digit number that reflects your credit worthiness based on your credit history. You can check it for free through various online services like Credit Karma or directly from the major credit bureaus. Once you know where you stand, the next step is to open a credit card if you don't already have one. For beginners, a secured credit card can be a great starting point. With a secured card, you'll typically deposit a certain amount of money as collateral, which then becomes your credit limit. This helps minimize risk for the issuer and gives you a chance to build credit responsibly. When you have your card, the most important rule to remember is to use it responsibly. This means keeping your credit utilization low, ideally under 30% of your credit limit, and always paying your bills on time. Payment history is the single most important factor in determining your credit score, so never miss a payment. Another strategy to consider is becoming an authorized user on someone else's credit card, especially if they have a strong credit history. As an authorized user, you can benefit from their positive credit behavior, which can potentially boost your own score over time. To further strengthen your credit profile, consider diversifying your credit mix. Credit scoring models like to see a mix of different types of credit accounts, such as credit cards, installment loans like student loans or personal loans, and retail accounts. However, don't rush to open multiple accounts at once. Pace yourself and only take on new credit as needed. It's also crucial to monitor your credit report regularly. You're entitled to a free credit report annually from each of the major credit bureaus: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. Review your reports for any errors or inaccuracies that could potentially harm your score. Dispute any discrepancies promptly to ensure your credit report is accurate. Lastly, remember that building credit takes time. It's a gradual process that requires patience and consistency. There are no quick fixes or shortcuts when it comes to improving your credit score. Focus on developing good credit habits and maintaining them over the long term. By following these steps and staying committed to responsible credit management, you'll be well on your way to mastering your credit journey. Remember, everyone's financial situation is different, so it's important to find strategies that work best for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more financial tips and advice. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.